we have found a little nut. According to Peterson, this is a mocker nut hickory. It has all kinds of uses. You did nuts, candy, flour, oil, syrup, gather nuts when they fall to the ground. Usually, these may not be mature yet, but we're going to find out. We're going to cut this thing open. I have not done this. Where'd I put my knife?
Other side.
Oh, jeez. Okay. Can you see that through the phone?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if this is how you do it. We're going to find out though. I think what we're going to do is try and smash it. See if it comes open that way. Okay, I'm going to smack it with the butt of the knife, so don't get directly behind me. Yeah, and there we have a nut. I'm going to try it, regardless of, may not be completely ripe yet, but it's getting hard for certain. Yeah, it's got a nutty flavor, kind of like a peanut. Yeah. Give you a piece.
Heck yeah. Yeah, tastes like an unripe pecan.
Stuck. Okay. Yeah. So, mocker nut hickory. There you go.